guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is K-Steph. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around with your girl. So without any further ado, let's jump right to this video. I'm so excited. This is my first time I'm laying my baby head down, and I'm very sure next time if I try to lay it down, it's going to come out more beautiful than this. And if you want to see how I achieve it as a first time laying baby head down and I come up with this, please keep on watching. So guys, this is the wig cap I'll be using because the lace is not bleached and this cap is very close to my skin tone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wear it underneath my wig. This is my wig. She's the star of the show and the lace is not bleached. Then I'll be using my foundation shade just to, you know, to tint the lace of this wig. The lace closure of this wig is 6x6 closure. And if you want to see how I make this hair into a wig, I make it myself. I'll link it in the description down below. You might want to check it out and see how I made this wig. Is 6x6 closure. Yeah, then I'll just go ahead now and you know, to tint the lace with my foundation shade. So for the foundation, I'll be using my Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Cappuccino, and also be mixing it up with the shade Cocoa. I also have a video on my channel how you can bleach your closure, and if you want to see how I bleach my closure, also check the description down below. I'm going to link it down there. So it's very simple. So I'm going to take my go-to spray to spray the lace. And I'm using my fan to dry it down. This lace is the wig is very firm. It's already firm to my head because when I was making the wig, I made sure that I stretched lace. This video is one of the videos you would like to watch if you want to make your own closure at home. Yeah, just watch the video. I will link it down in the description down below if you want to see how I made this wig. Yeah. Guys, you see now that this lace is very close to my skin tone just because I use the foundation to camouflage it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this side away. So now I'm gonna beginning to cut the lace. So I'm basically gonna be using these small scissors. Let me show you. Then I'm gonna start from the middle. Make sure you are not cutting the lace straight. Make sure you are cutting the lace in a zigzag motion. Honestly guys, I can wear this wig without laying it down because it's very firm already. See, it's very firm already guys, very firm. So I'm just gonna repeat the same step on this side in a zigzag motion. And while you are doing this part guys, make sure you are taking your time. This lace is freaky firm, as in it's already firm. I don't lay my closure down, no, I've never ever do it before, but I'm just gonna do it there. So to lay it down, I'm not gonna use any glue. I'm basically gonna be using my got-to-be spray. Then I'm going to lift the wig, push it back a little bit, and spray my edges exactly where I want the lace to be sticking on. So I'm just going to move the lace forward and drop it right there. So I'm just gonna separate a little bit from the wig to create my baby. I just need a little bit hair in the front, just to camouflage the lace, you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this elastic band to tie it down. So guys, now that I tied my lace down, I'm just gonna go ahead and flat this here a little bit more. I've already flatted it anyway, but I want it to be super sleek. Guys, can you believe it? This is just 3 bundles and this hair is so full. That's why I want it to be super flat. So guys, the key to get a super slick hair is to make sure that you are doing it in sections. You don't want to take the whole hair and flat it at once. Make sure you are doing it in section, especially your closure. So I'm just using my hot comb now to flat the hair a little bit more. So I'm just using my scissors to trim the baby hair down. So to lay my baby hair, I will be using my got2b glue jelly. Then I'll be using this brush to lay it down. I'm just gonna do it like so. Then use it to scoop my baby hair. So okay guys, I quickly want to come up here and say something about this baby hair. If you are seeing me doing it now for the first time, or you are seeing me doing it as in I'm doing it for the first time, and I want to tell you guys, laying baby hair is not an easy task. I'm telling you, watching it on YouTube several times, I've watched it, let me be honest with you guys, and people are doing it. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to shaft it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to just go ahead and lay my baby hair down. It's going to be easy for me. Child, it is not easy to lay a baby hair down, especially if you are looking for like a flawless look at the end of the day. I was just struggling trying to lay it down, but anyway, in all, I'm so proud of myself, me doing it for the first time, and I was able to come, my result was able to come out like this, and I'm so happy. I'm sure next time is going to be better. You know, practice make perfection. Each time that I'm going to be wearing wig, I will try as much as possible to lay it down, but at the same time, I think it would have been better if I use my mousse instead of using a gel to lay it down, because if I use my mousse, I'm sure all this shiny will not be showing. But yeah, you know, if you don't try something, you won't be able to know your mistake and make up for it for the next time. So next time now, I'm very sure I'll be using my mousse, and I'm sure I'm very, very sure that it's going to be more better than this. So guys, yeah, and I'm challenging you guys, if you have never lay your baby hair down, your wig down, just go ahead and try it, and I'm sure you will also be struggling with it for the first time. Maybe you not, maybe not, you may not be able to struggle with it anyways, but we are not the same. Yeah guys, that is why I'm here. I just wanted to put it out there. Like I said, next time is going to be mousse. I'm not going to be using this got to be good gel. I will be using my mousse to see the difference between gel and mousse. So yeah. So guys, I made a mistake, and I don't want you guys to fall into my mistake. So I took the wig down off camera, yes, and I reapplied the got to be glue spray because I didn't pull the lace to the front enough. So my point is, if you want to do this, make sure your lace is a little bit over your natural baby hair line, but not too much, not too much. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead now and use this head wrap, is that what I'm going to call it, to tie it down. Then later I'm going to be using my hand fan to fan it down. I just want it to be very, very firm in the front, so that's why I'm just using my hand fan to, you know, to blow fan to the hair. So to define my part, I'm using my Hair Pro concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm really impressed, as in I think I did a good job for the first time, guys. Can you imagine? So yeah, this is it. Do you guys like it? You can do it. If I can, definitely you can do it also. So guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video also with your friends and family. And if you're not doing anything right now, I'm going to link to video right here, and go ahead and watch one of this video, and let's see right now, right now. Thank you so much, guys. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.